Okay, so I apologize for interrupting this video. I went with a different tactic this week. I kind of just like went right into the video, and I'm gonna use this little time in this little box right here to just give you like more context of what's going on. As you can see, I'm painting some new shoes, some new Vans. This is for a client. This person's actually surprising someone, I believe a birthday gift, and all he said was that this girl likes the color purple. So I added a dark purple, a light purple, and then like a pinkish color to tie it together. That's pretty much all that needs to be said, and so that's why I didn't want to make a full intro. I'm just doing this little boxy mid-video discussion with you to give you more context of what's going on. I'll be back again at the end of the video to say goodbye. So, see you in a little bit. When I look at you now, an adrenaline rush. We're always looking for something more. We're closer to the edge than ever before. I can't believe this body's fine. I'm outside. It doesn't make any sense. This was not how I saw the end. But I keep on breathing. Heart is beating. I'm waiting for the eclipse and the consequences of it. Why do we keep falling down when there's always being affected ground? We got time to make this. As mentioned before, I am back. This means it's the end of the video, but don't go away just yet. Just wanted to say thank you for watching this video. Hope you guys liked it, and if you want to subscribe, cool. If not, cool. I'm not gonna force you. And if you want a pair of shoes, all you gotta do is DM me at NickIB on Instagram, or email me nicholasib@gmail.com. I'll be sure to check both of those, and that's how I get most of my orders. Mostly on Instagram, but sometimes I'll get an email. But with all that being said, see you guys in a couple days. Peace.